Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Red Rock House, a breathtaking residence designed by Faulkner Architects, located in Las Vegas, United States. Nestled between the vibrant Las Vegas Strip and the rugged Red Rock Canyon, this house is a masterpiece of desert architecture. Designed to withstand the harsh climate, it offers protection from strong winds and extreme temperatures. Raw concrete and steel blend seamlessly with the arid landscape, reflecting the desert's raw beauty. A reflective water basin mirrors the surrounding environment, adding a sense of serenity. The entryway, a narrow concrete passage, creates a dramatic transition from the stark exterior to a tranquil inner courtyard filled with native plants. This home strikes the perfect balance between resilience and elegance, embracing the desert while providing a secluded oasis. The wooden ceiling contrasts beautifully with the concrete walls, creating a warm yet industrial ambience. Expansive windows frame stunning views, while minimalist furniture enhances the sense of openness. A perfect fusion of modern design and natural elements, this space features concrete and wood in a seamless blend. Glass walls flood the area with natural light, while a sleek floating staircase adds a striking architectural element, combining functionality with elegance. This kitchen is a harmonious mix of wood and contemporary design. The wood-paneled ceiling and cabinetry create warmth, while sleek marble countertops add a touch of luxury. Large windows invite natural light, enhancing the open and airy layout. The seamless combination of functionality and aesthetics makes this space both cozy and refined. A stunning balance of industrial and natural textures, this bedroom exudes modern sophistication. The concrete walls provide a bold contrast to the wooden ceiling, adding depth and character. The concrete walls and wooden deck create a striking contrast, while the infinity pool reflects the sky, amplifying the serene atmosphere. Strategically placed lighting highlights textures and adds depth, creating a visually dynamic space. Minimalist poolside furniture complements the clean lines, offering a tranquil retreat that harmonizes with the natural surroundings.